Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan, and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm making some really fun candy bouquets. I have seen these before and I thought it would be super fun to figure out how to make them. I have a couple family friends that I want to give them to, and they both have kids, so they're gonna love the candy. And yeah, I thought I would record myself putting it together. So let's get started. So I bought most of my supplies from the Dollar Tree, all the candy, these little white rocks, this little star Christmas ornament, the little skewers, wooden skewers. I did buy these two little decorations here from the Dollar Spot at Target last Christmas. So I wanted to do something with those, and I'm also going to be using a glue gun, tape, some popsicle sticks, and yeah, some scissors. I got the little white rocks to put at the bottom with the floral foam so that it would weight it down, because it's going to be otherwise too top heavy and it would never stay upright. So I'm gonna use some hot glue and glue some popsicle sticks onto my wooden skewers. That way there's more surface area to tape my candy bars and boxes of candy onto the sticks so that it is more secure and sturdy. Once I get more candy on the skewers, I will secure everything together with little pieces of tape on the back. wanted to add a decoration to the front of the tree, and then I saw this cute ornament at Dollar Tree, and I thought, ooh, this would be super cute on the front. I did leave a little bit of the tag attached so that it would be easier to tape the ornament inside the basket. And then my friend will have that cute ornament to put on her tree. And this is how it came out. I really think it came out cute. I saved some candy so I could make a second one here with this cute little snowman. And so I'm just going to put it together the same way. And I have another family friend that I'm going to give this one to. I had some red and white straws that I decided to use instead of the skewers because I just thought that, it added some color and then it just gave it a little bit more of an interesting look. Decided to pull out the little snowman and replace that skewer with one of the red and white straws as well. And that's what it needed as far as I was concerned. It just needed a little bit of something, something. And I liked it so much better that way. And here is the second one. How fun is that? I mean, I would be happy to get it. Of course, I love candy, especially chocolate. I hope you had fun watching me make these two candy bouquets. They were so much fun to do, and I think that's something I'm going to do every year. So yeah, I think my friends are going to really like them. Thanks for watching, friends, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Follow along to some of my other future videos. I have a shed reveal and also a an addition to our house that we recently did for our in-laws. I guess some people call them granny flats, but I don't know. I don't like that name. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you and your family have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye for now, friends.